Today we're at the Dream Garage doing his test pipe install on his 350Z. I don't know how good you can hear me, so we'll find out. There's a fan, but yeah, test pipe install. Dream Garage is like a do-it-yourself place. Literally do-it-yourself. All the tools over there. Is that Jesse guy? And then it's just the whole shop, and that's outside. It's lit. That's the culprit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna knock myself out. I hit my head, but I'm Jesus.
To the pipe.
Yeah. I hit my head. That hurt.
Resonator delete.
Is that a straight pipe though? Is that another? Órale, wey! Vámonos.
Look, it melted straight onto my diffuser, dude.
Is that a jungle gym dog? Is that a Brembo bank fucker? Okay, we're losing track of what we're supposed to be doing.
Oh yeah, I'm just looking at the exhaust and
Oh no, wait!
I never look under here. Look at this shit. Look at this. I look lightweight. I look lightweight. That's all I can speak.
Oh my god, it's fucking Claudia.
Hey!
Oh no, wait! Get my throw, wait!
You guys didn't hit us up and you guys just came to our city and shit.
Shut up. We're never gonna. Hey, well, since we're here, you know we're just gonna have to turn it on straight out the headers, right?
Look at that, it's so nasty.
Fuck it. No more cats.
There's no cats going to like filter anything. So the chances of
Is that a test pipe?
probably got. Oh yeah.
He said, oh yeah. Oh, your check engine light about to come on. Damn, it's so light.
That was light, man. See it, bro?
Look at those guns.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool.
Sounds good. At least it's not raspy. Towing the motorcycles?
Should have done a burnout.
Downshift. Oh my god. One more. Take off.
Oh my god, dude. This is, you can smell it.
Oh my
Yeah, I
god.
need to know how to get back.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Yeah, well, yeah.